actually looking like a mushroom. Looking at the way it's carved, the way it's handled, it's natural. God made, not human made. My people, take a good look. Hey my special YT family, you guys are welcome back to another video. It's your favorite northern based YouTuber here, Gifty again on your screens, and you guys are welcome. If you are new here, thanks for joining us today. To my old supporters, I love you all. Thank you so much. Today I'm taking you along with me to Japa municipality, and Japa is in the Upper West region if you are new here. And we are here to see some special kind of rocks. The rocks come in a form of mushroom. I know you can't wait to see, or if you've seen what I showed in the beginning, oh my god, you are in so much hurry to look at what is next. So this is how the place looks like. I came with some friends of mine, and they are up there as you can see. Oh my god, this is beautiful, but I couldn't climb up there. So here I'm with my tour guys. You guys, I met these small boys, oh my god, and they were so helpful. So this is the first mushroom rock we came across. There are actually 3, and this is the first one we went to see. Wow, my people, see how the thing, it's in the form of a mushroom, in fact like an umbrella like shape. Nothing done in human form, everything was done by God. It's been there since ages. Ever since this town was found, these mushroom rocks have been there. It's been a tourist site, but unfortunately now I don't know whether the tourism, the Ghana tourism or whatever, we've not been able to utilize it well. So it's another challenge. This is the second one too we came across, and oh my god, it's beautiful. So let's take a look at it from the other side too. This is so beautiful. Wow, this is natural, all natural. Oh my god. And there are other kinds of rocks there, but these are the special ones that catches people's attention. There's another one also here. It also looks like a mushroom. Yes, for that one it has shade. Oh, this is beautiful. I can't climb up there. Okay, so my tall man is telling me there is a way I can get up there. Wow, so see the way it's arranged. Whoops. So beautiful. It has shade under it. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oops. Wow. So these are other rocks in
one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah. One more time. We are going to jump again. 1, 2, 3, go! Cool.
Mama!
Oh,